Welcome back. If you want clear, glowing skin, then you need to eat this beauty salad every single day. We are starting with fresh cucumbers, which are packed with water and silica to deeply hydrate your skin. Next, let's bring in our fresh cherry tomatoes. Chop them up for a massive boost of skin clearing vitamin C. And for that perfect creamy texture, we are adding fresh avocado. Pop that seed right out and scoop out that beautiful green goodness. These healthy fats actually help your body absorb all those skin clearing vitamins. In go the fresh cucumbers, add in juicy tomatoes, add in creamy avocado, which is rich in natural fats, and our simple lime dressing. Mix everything up gently so that beautiful dressing coats every single bite. Look at how those glossy, vibrant colors pop. Absolute skin food. You guys, that crunch is everything. It is so light, refreshing, and delicious. Now, if you want to meal prep this salad ahead of time, pack it tightly into a clean mason jar and seal it tightly. Here is my secret tip: always keep your liquid dressing completely separate until the exact moment you are ready to eat. Subscribe for more weekly wellness and let me know your thoughts down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next routine. Bye.